Let's start question number second of exercise 5.3. Question is find the quotient and verify your answer. A part is 9204 divided by 6. We have to divide 9204 by 6. See, is 9 comes at the table of 6? No, 9 doesn't come at the table of 6, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 9 and comes at the table of 6. And that number is 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay, now subtract it. 9 minus 6 is 3 and bring this 2 down. Is 32 comes at the table of 6? No, 32 do not comes at the table of 6. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 32 and comes at the table of 6. That is 30. 6 5s are 30. Okay, now subtract it. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0 and bring this 0 down. Is 20 comes at the table of 6? No, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 20 and comes at the table of 6, and that is 18. 6 3s are 18. Okay, now subtract it. 10 minus 8 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0 and bring this 4 down. Is 24 comes at the table of 6? Yes, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Now subtract it. So your remainder is 0. Now we have to verify also. Our quotient is 1534. Remainder is 0 and divisor is 6. We have to verify also. So let's start. In verification, what we do, we multiply the divisor by the quotient. Okay, we multiply the divisor by the quotient and add the remainder to it. हम डिवाइज़र को कोशिएंट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और उसमें रिमाइंडर को ऐड कर देते हैं. एंड इफ़ दिस कम्स आउट टू बी इक्वल टू योर डिविडेंड, दैट मीन्स योर डिवीजन इज़ करेक्ट. अदरवाइज देयर इज़ सम मिस्टेक इन योर डिवीजन. ओके, सी, डिवाइज़र इज़ 6, quotient is 1534, and in this product we have to add the remainder, and remainder is 0. Now multiply 6 by 1534. 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32, 6 1s are 6, plus 3 is 9. This is 9204 which is equal to our dividend. हमारा dividend भी जो था वो यही था. See, dividend is 9204 and after solving it we got 9204. That means our division is totally correct. So this way we verify the division. What we do, we multiply the divisor by the quotient and in the product we add the remainder. And if this comes out to be equal to your dividend, that means your division is totally correct. Okay, now let's start B part. B part is 1204 divided by 8. We have to divide 1204 by 8. So we will start from the highest place, and highest place is thousands place. And is 1 divisible by 8? No, 1 is not divisible by 8. So we will put 0 at the quotient and we will consider first two digits. Okay, now is 12 comes at the table of 8? क्या 12 8 के टेबल पर आता है? No, 12 8 के टेबल पर नहीं आता. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 12 and comes at the table of 8, and that is 8 itself, because 8 2s are 16. That will be greater than 12. So the number just smaller than 12 and comes at the table of 8 is 8 itself. 8 1s are 8. Okay, now subtract it. 12 minus 8 is 4 and bring this 0 down. Now is 40 comes at the table of 8? Yes, 8 5s are 40. So we will write 5 at the quotient and 40 here. Okay, so this way we'll write 5 at quotient and 40 here. Now subtract it and bring this 4 down. And when we bring a digit down and it doesn't come at the table of the divisor, then what we do, we write 0 at the quotient, because 4 जो है को हमारे 8 के टेबल पर नहीं आता, because 4 is smaller than 8. So we will write 0 at the quotient and 0 here. 8 zeros are 0. Now subtract it, it will be 4. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 150 and your remainder is 4. And we have to verify also. In verification, what we do, we multiply the divisor बाय द कोशिएंट, हम क्या करते हैं, डिवाइज़र को कोशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एंड ऐड द रिमाइंडर टू इट। इसमें हम क्या कर देते हैं, रिमाइंडर को ऐड कर देते हैं। ओके, एंड डिवाइज़र इज़ 8, quotient is 150, divisor is 8, quotient is 150 and remainder is 4. Fine, now multiply 8 by 150. Okay, we will multiply 8 by 150. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 8 ones are 8 plus 4 12 and add 4 to it. We will add the remainder in the product of divisor and quotient. divisor और quotient को multiply करके आपका जो नंबर आएगा उसमें आपको क्या करना है, रिमाइंडर को ऐड कर देना, and this will be 1204 which is equal to our dividend. You can check also, see your dividend is 1204 and after solving this we got 1204. So this way we verify the division. Okay, now let's start C part. C part is 7569 divided by 6. We have to divide 7569 by 6. So we will start from the highest place, and highest place is thousands place, which is 7. Is 7 comes at the table of 6? No, 7 does not come at the table of 6. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 6 and comes at the table of 6. That is 6 itself, because 6 2s are 12, which will be greater than 7. So we will take 6 1s are 6, like this. Okay, now subtract it. 7 minus 6 is 1 and bring this 5 down. Is 15 comes at the table of 6? No, 15 does not come at the table of 6. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 15 and comes at the table of 6. That is 12, because 6 3s are 18 and that will be greater than 15. So we will take 6 2s are 12. Okay, now subtract it. 5 minus 2 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0 and bring this 6 down. Is 36 comes at the table of 6? Yes, 6 6 are 36. Now subtract it and bring this 9 down. Okay, is 9 comes at the table of 6? No, 9 does not come at the table of 6. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 9 and comes at the table of 6. That is 6 itself. 6 1s are 6. Now subtract it. After subtracting, what you will get? You will get 3. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 1261 and your remainder is 3. Okay, your quotient is 1261 and remainder is 3. Now we have to verify also. We have to verify whether our division is correct or not. And how we verify? We multiply the divisor by the quotient and add remainder to it. हम डिवाइज़र में quotient, डिवाइज़र के साथ quotient को multiply करते हैं और उसमें remainder को add कर देते हैं. What is your divisor? Your divisor is 6. Your quotient is 1261 and in this product we have to add the remainder and remainder is 3. Now multiply it. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7 and add 3 to it. This will be 7569 and that is equal to our dividend. Okay, our dividend was also 7569. That means our division is totally correct. Okay, D part is 5632 divided by 3. So let's start. We will start from the highest place, and here the highest place is thousands place, which has 5. Okay, is 5 comes at the table of 3? No, 5 does not come at the table of 3. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 5 and comes at the table of 3. That is 3 itself. 3 1s are 3, because 3 2s are 6, which is greater than 5. So we will take 3 1s are 3. Now subtract it. 5 minus 3 is 2 and bring this 6 down. Now is 26 comes at the table of 3? No, 26 does not come at the table of 3. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 26 and comes at the table of 3. That is 24. 3 8s are 24. Okay, now subtract it. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0 and bring this 3 down. Is 23 comes at the table of 3? क्या 23 3 के टेबल पर आता है? No. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 23 and comes at the table of 3. That is 21. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Now 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0, and bring this 2 down. Now is 22 comes at the table of 3? No, 22 does not come at the table of 3, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 22 and comes at the table of 3. That is 21. 3 sevens are 21. Now subtract it. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 1877 and remainder is 1. Okay, the number that is left is the remainder, and remainder is 1. Quotient is 1877, and we have to verify also. And how we verify whether our division is correct or not? What we do, we multiply the divisor by the quotient and add the remainder to it. और इसमें हम क्या कर देते हैं, रिमाइंडर को ऐड कर देते हैं. See, what is our divisor? Our divisor is 3. And what is our quotient? Quotient is 1877, and add the remainder to it. Now solve it. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5, and add 1 to it. So what we will get? We will get 5632, which is equal to our dividend. You can check also that our dividend is also 5632. That means our division is totally correct. Okay, so this is question number 2 of exercise 5.3.